Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make eyes trend that is viral right now on TikTok or Instagram Reels, etc. So basically that is quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you will need to have the footage of your or someone's eyes. So we will add them to our video because this is essential to have the footage of the eyes. This is all the trend, what is trend about. So now if you have your footage of the eyes, you can now open the CapCut. So find the CapCut on your device or just download it from the App Store or Play Market and open it. And now here in the bottom side of the screen you will see the templates button, so click on it. Now as we are on the templates, we need to search for the eyes trend, so you can just simply type eyes trend and you will see some results. So actually here they are, and now you can choose whatever template you like. So I like the first one, I will use it. And now I will click on the use template in the bottom side of the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply choose our video. Here is my video, and then click on the next button. And it automatically creates the full video based on the template. As you can see, there are some unnecessary texts. I can always select it and delete. If you don't like how your eyes are looking at in the video, you can always select one of the video of your eyes and click on the trim button in the bottom side of the screen, and here you can resize or move your video as you want, or either change the duration or the piece of the video. But I'm satisfied with the result, and all I have to do now is to simply click on the export button in the top right corner, click on the save to device, and that is basically it. That is how we can make eyes trend with the CapCut. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.